Metaphysical Chick takes on New York. In New York for this past weekend, and oh my goodness, I loved every single ounce of it. So, in doing Metaphysical Chick, takes on New York, I went into the streets of New York and I asked people this very, very important question. Why is it easier for us to help other people rather than ourselves? Why do you think it's easier to help other people rather than yourself? Alright, so the question is, why do you think it's easier to help other people rather than yourself? It's you today.
Bruh.
Why do you think it's easier to help other people rather than yourself? Is why do you think it's easier to help other people rather than yourself? Why do you think it's easier to help other people rather than yourself?
Why I think what?
Most people are inherently selfless.
As far as helping other people, you kind of like make yourself feel better that way.
It's gonna give you a sense of satisfaction when you help someone.
Satisfaction, okay.
Around New York, you're giving, you see homeless people, you're like, oh, here's $2, 50 cents.
There's always someone worse off than yourself, so that's why.
Sometimes easier not to worry about your own troubles.
Right.
You don't want to listen to your own advice.
Really distract yourself from your own troubles,
You can see the struggle in them, so you want to help them out. Like, oh, you should do it this way, you should do it that way.
Wait, hold up.
It's helping me with my problems by helping me.
Why is it easier to help other people than
By
help
yourself.
yourself?
Right. Guys, New York was absolutely amazing. I had so much fun. I had so much fun talking to the people on the streets. Like, what? But yes, and some of the responses that I got, they were different, but they were along, kind of like the same track. I got words like satisfaction.
Satisfaction when you help someone.
Satisfaction, okay. And I got words like inner struggle.
Sometimes easier not to worry about your own troubles.
Seeing that, in other people and going out your way. I see that inner struggle in myself and I'm seeing it in them. They're asking for help, maybe I can make myself feel better, if I help them with that, because I know what it feels like, so that was kind of the things that really brought up to me. I got to give my perspective on it, and all these perspectives in one is kind of me, it's kind of my perspective. I'm an empath, I'll scream it to the end of the earth. I see a lot of pain in people, I can read how people are feeling, especially if I've been through something like that. If I've been through something that you're now currently going through, I see that. I don't know, I think it is the satisfaction that we get in helping other people get over that. And something I really, really want to go in depth on is seeing your inner struggles in other people. When you see your inner struggles in other people, it's kind of like a flashback moment. It takes you back to that moment where you were at and you go, oh my goodness, I was once in that moment, I've got to do something. You kind of feel, entitled to do something. I know everybody doesn't think like that. I've got to help this person out because in a way I still haven't solved that inner issue with myself. Everything sometimes, guys, has to do with yourself. When you see stuff in yourself that you sometimes don't want to fix, or sometimes, things that you have fixed, you go about it in a different way. You go about it looking and searching for that inner struggle. And guys, it's crazy because until you solve that inner struggle, until you solve, what's going on deep down inside of you, you're always gonna find yourself in those types of situations. And I'm not putting a negative connotation on the situation, but I am saying, once you have that inner struggle, you will constantly be bumping into it, always. Until you go in deep and, solve it, right? Until you go in deep and you solve it. But yes, guys, oh my goodness, like New York, yeah, it's fun. I had fun. Like, I met new family, I met new friends, and I met amazing people. Why? I definitely absolutely loved this take. Metaphysical Chick takes on New York, and I hope you do many more segments like this all around the world. Because if you know me, you know I love to travel, fam. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.